Pop that.
Hello everybody, thank you for giving me your time and thank you for watching this video. Welcome to another video by Whacked Out Drivers in a Nati. Here we are behind a van. You see they keep going across the yellow line there, which ain't really a big deal. It is if we was a police officer and we was behind them. But the issue that we really have is, as we get down here to this next light, you're going to see as we go to get over, all of a sudden they pop over as well without using a turn signal whatsoever. Now this van is a transport van. It transports people around, and since the name of the vehicle, which I'm gonna go ahead and blur out. Don't know if it's even necessary to blur it out, but I'm going to because it's got their phone numbers and stuff on there. But again, you know, it's a good way for them to get rear-ended by not using a turn signal. And then you see them there making a U-turn on the entry of that parking lot, which all they needed to do was come in. There was cars there waiting to pull out, and luckily none of those cars decided to go because they seen this car, or this van I should say, coming into the lot. And even there, they wait till the very last second to put the turn signal on. Well, thank you for watching. I got 2 more videos coming out right after this one. This is the bulldozer. Drive safe, and I'm out of here. Here's some more videos you might be interested in. The video on the center of your screen is where we had an encounter with the Metro bus driver in downtown Cincinnati. Traffic was messed up, but he was supposed to stay behind his white line at a red light, and he came through the intersection outside his lane of travel and was trying to go around cars and was trying to cut off cars that was in our lane of travel. And if you watch this video, you'll see actually he gets so close to the back of our car you can barely see the bike rack on the front of the car. The video on the left hand side of the screen is where we were leaving Good Samaritan Hospital on the west side of town, and this dually truck blows this red light and almost T-bones this Jeep, and it's just absolutely insane. Here it comes right here, and look how fast this dually truck is coming. And he must have looked up at the last second and swerved to miss this Jeep. Otherwise, he would have flipped that Jeep. And the video on the right hand side of your screen is where these people decide to run the red light right in front of a Delhi police officer. They was going so fast, their entire car tilted to the right just as the Delhi police officer was coming up over that hill. It was absolutely hilarious. These people absolutely picked the wrong time to run that red light, and the thing is, they didn't even slow down and see if anybody was crossing the street or anything. Don't forget, folks, to make sure you check out the other videos on the channel. And just so everybody knows, I don't make no money doing this. This is all educational purposes. This is a tool to help educate people, giving them reasons on why they need to have a dash cam in their vehicle. Just so everybody's aware of that. I make no money doing this, okay? So don't think all these videos are put up to make money, because they're not. This video is uploaded as an educational tool. And if I'm not mistaken, that is also put in the description. This video is uploaded for educational purposes. So again, everybody, drive safe, and remember, like I said in this video, you know, your family wants to see you make it home. So keep your eyes on the road and out of the cell phones. And that text message can wait till the car is in park. This is the bulldozer. Drive safe, and I'm out of here.
Just a rebel on your own, on a bed to a bed to a bed to a trip, on a bed to a bed to a bed.